Hi there, and welcome to Voxme. It's simple to complete pre- and post-service residence inspection with the Voxme Inventory app. Go to the house and tap on the room, let's say kitchen. If a room has items, tap on Inspection Info. Tap to the right of the room area, let's say floor, and select applicable conditions, then tap on Done. To take a photo, tap on the conditions and then snap as many photos as you need. Do the same after the service, but this time around tap on After Packing. Let me show you how. Go to the kitchen and tap on After Packing. And capture the relevant conditions, then tap on Done. Make sure that all residence inspection details have been captured by going to the Sign and Send screen and then tapping on the packing list. Scroll down to the Property Inspection section. Great job! Don't forget to visit our YouTube channel for more tips and instructions.